Hello out there on YouTube. This is DIOSpeedDEMON. I have the whole fleet out. I'm going to have a few days off come 4th of July, which is our July 4th is our celebration day. And I'm going to put a bigger carburetor on the DIO. And I want to explain to my friends out there in the world what problems I've come against. Now what I have here, these are my babies. Okay, now this is a 1985 Honda Gyro. They were only sold 2 years in the US. There's only one other year that's cool. It's cooler. It's a 1984, which looks like this, but I think it's rare. And that says 1985. Now what I did was 10 years ago, not 10 years ago, but I went to a Honda shop and saw this sitting there, and I'd never seen one before. Had to Google it, and it was all in really great shape, except it didn't run, and it's 25 years old. This one, no, it's actually 34 years old now. So I spent all winter, 1 year, it's all on YouTube, and I rebuilt it and put on a new tire. It's a beautiful bike. Okay, that's a 1985 Gyro. This is a 1993 Honda Elite, or a DIO, which they call them in Japan. This was the year before the 94 engines came out, but I found a way to take a 94 engine and put it in this frame. So this bike right here is 26 years old. And it has this YFS pipe on it, which I got from Steve Van Treese in Hawaii. Thank you so much, Steve, for all your advice and all your parts over the years. So if you happen to see Steve Van Treese of VT Cycles, or his older brother, or Keone, tell him hello and thank you, and I said hi. This is the other bike I bought brand new, 2013 Zuma. This was the first year that they put fuel injection on a 4-stroke. I believe that's what it is. And I wanted to get the blue 2-stroke, but this bike is absolutely beautiful. I mean, it holds 2 people. It's got footrests for 2 people. And it goes absolutely beautiful. The only problem about the Zuma is I paid $3,500 for it. It's made in fucking China. Okay, if I buy a Japanese Yamaha bike right there, okay, I want the damn thing made in Japan. That's the only problem I have with that bike. Other than that, it's worked great. Now the latest to my fleet, and I still have not ridden it, is I talked my wife in December. I said, listen, I'm pushing 60 years old. I need a race bike. And I talked her into giving me the money. And I found this CBR, a 2010 CBR 600RR in Spokane. And the guy's working his damn weed whacker, and I'm going to go over there and kick his ass. As soon as he stops, I'll play it again.